This moisturizer works because your skin already recognizes it. Most people don't realize this, but your skin already produces its own natural moisturizer. It's called sebum. Sebum is made by sebaceous glands, and its job is simple: protect your skin, keep it hydrated, and maintain a healthy glow. The problem? Modern skincare destroys it. Harsh cleansers, chemical lotions, and synthetic creams strip the skin completely. That sends a danger signal to your body. Your skin panics. Sebaceous glands overproduce oil, pores clog, acne, redness, sensitivity, and dryness get worse. Now here's the surprising part. There is a traditional moisturizer whose fat composition is almost identical to human sebum. It's called beef tallow. This is not a trend. It was used for generations, long before modern cosmetics. Unlike seed oil creams, tallow is stable. It doesn't oxidize. It absorbs deeply without making skin greasy. It naturally contains vitamins A, D, E, and K, plus CLA, which helps the skin retain moisture. Its fatty acids, oleic, palmitic, and stearic, support skin repair, softness, and elasticity. And its omega-6 content is extremely low. That's critical, because excess omega-6, whether eaten or applied, drives inflammation, dryness, and premature aging. When people replace chemical moisturizers with a simple tallow balm, they often notice calmer skin, fewer breakouts, better hydration, and a natural, healthy glow. The skin stops fighting. It starts healing. Sometimes the best solution isn't new technology. It's returning to what the body already understands. Try it consistently for a few weeks and observe the difference for yourself.
This is the natural side, and this is aftercare.